Jai Jagannath. Hello everyone. So I'm Jasmine. Today I'm going to start an important topic which will be beneficial for IT freshers and working professional who are going to appear for an interview as well as on the day-to-day working profession. Okay. So without wasting the time, let's start. Okay. So from the first slide, you can see like it's a image what it is saying SQL. Okay, so most probably all the IT professionals, IT students, they might know from the picture. So here is the database image and here is the SQL, but no doubts this is the AI impact. Okay, so we'll not go into that, rather we'll go to the letter by letter. So here S means structured, Q means query, and L for language. So it is the structured query language. So it's coming under database management system. So if we'll see, so we'll go in depth in our next slides. So better, but in short, if I'll say structured query language, that means the language through which database can understand. Okay, it is a database language, in shortly you can say. So structured means it is a tabular format, like there will be the row and column. Okay, so and query means it is a syntax. Okay, and L means language. So suppose if we'll tell you in a if I want to explain you in a layman format, like how I will then explain. So it is like a if just language, how we'll understand. So language is the communication through which human to human understand, human to human communicate through the language. That language may be Hindi, English, any different kinds of languages based on the or region and the states, country likewise. So in the same manner, if we'll see the here is the SQL means that language through which database can understand. Okay, so query will be the syntax. Suppose how the human that language understand that human to human communication through the language. That language Hindi, English. So see in the same manner that Hindi, English here in the query. Okay, query will be the syntax, and L is the language. Okay, so here the structure query language. You get it? That means suppose that in Hindi, English, like how it is in the format. English means that A, B, C, D, E, 26 letters. Likewise, so query means that syntax. Syntax will be in the form of like crude format. Okay, that create, delete, update, insert. That will take the syntax like select, from, all. There are so many are there. Slowly we'll cover. Okay, so now we'll move to next slide. So finally here it is the picturation diagram. What it says, DBMS. Okay, so here both side I have kept the diagram like database structure, and here is the like all the datas are going. Okay, so it is like DBMS. DBMS means database management system. Okay, so it is from the picturation you can see like it is saying about like who, what, where, how, why. It is completely worth saying, because whenever as a layman we are coming to the picture or in our surroundings, in our day-to-day activities, first things it comes into our mind through the 5WH. Okay, that who, what, where, how, why. So in the same manner in our technical things, if we'll see like DBMS, that whole database here, DBMS, database management system. So this system is talking about completely whole data and database, and then M for manage. Who is managing? So who means here the software, the whole features the software is controlling, managing. and how, like slowly fast we'll cover like what kind of things it is taking. So answer will be data. Okay, already from the beginning I told that whatever we'll talk here completely based on data and database. Okay, so database is the like where, so that data where it is going, so it is going to the container like, so in our technical terms it is called as a database. Okay, if we will see like how it is going, the answer will be like, in technical term it will come as the language. That language is none other than query, that structured query language. So structured means like completely that logical model, like it is, we can tabular format. Okay, that column and row. Then it is showing like why it is stored in the data, why data is stored in the database, because for the storage purpose. Okay, because our main purpose is the system. Here the system means our computer system, how that software system, how it is working. It's simple that if we'll see like we'll give the input and we'll get in terms of output. In the same manner we are giving the input as a data and we are getting the output in the form of storage like tables. That data is stored in the form of tabular format like row and column, but system will take into us binary digit. Okay, so hope you are getting what I meant to say. So now move to our next slide. Here it is the like, that was the, here you can see like same manner I just tried to put up in the logical and picturation format. So SQL is just combine of all these features. Okay, that like here it is the structured manner. This terminology you should remember. This is the main gist of that topic. Structure it, that query should be structured. Okay, and then query should be there, and then language, query will be in the form of language, and then database, that database in the form of storage, tables, language, structured query. Okay, so main ingredients here it is database. Okay, and that data, and then that data should be in the form of like SQL, like structured query language, and the storage will be where it will be stored, database, in the database it will be stored, and in what format it will be stored, in the tabular format. Okay, and what region it will be stored for the storage purpose. Okay, hope you are understanding. And here also I'm trying to say you, yes, that DBMS, which one we discussed, that database, about the database, that whole structure and whole that architecture we can say, who is controlling DBMS. Okay, that DBMS also we can segregate like it is a database plus relational model. Okay, then you will ask me, ma'am, what is the relational model? Okay, so relational model is nothing rather than it is a logical model. Okay, logical model in the sense like how the data is structured in the logical sense. Okay, so they, it is also 5 types like hierarchy networking model, hierarchy model, networking model, model like entity relationship model. Okay, and there is a relational model, and then no relational or non-relational model. So from among these 5 types we will cover only relational model, like it is that relational model is nothing rather it is a structured manner. Okay, and that non-relational means non-structured manners like no SQL, and relational model will know it as a SQL. Okay, so slowly we'll go in depth. Okay, so last 2 seconds I want to just cover up through the in the gist, like what we covered. So a question may arise like what is SQL and what is DBMS. Okay, so what is data? Eh, whatever the strikes into your mind, that will come as a question. So I cannot say like a what or a who or why. So you just go thoroughly and just ask me if you are having any doubt. Whatever doubt arises, just ping me or comment me. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this. But here but here, last but not least, I will catch you later very soon with the next slide with a new topic, new chapter. Okay, so hope you guys will like it. And just lastly, I want to say keep loving, keep supporting,